Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. I hope you all are studying at home. Okay, class, now we will start the greeting rhyme. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon, good afternoon. How are you? I'm not good, I'm not good. Oh no. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you? I'm great, I'm great, I'm great. Thank you. Okay, class, tell me what is your day today? Firstly, tell me how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday. And which day today? 24th of December 2020. And what is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day and sun is watching you. Okay, class, it's your maths period. Okay, let's start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, class, look at the board and tell me which number is this. This is number 1. Class, again tell me which number is this? Number 1. And what comes after 1? Number 2. Number 2. 1 and 2. And what comes after 2? 3. Which number is this? 3. What comes after 2? 3. And what comes after 3? Number 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, tell me what comes after 4? Number 5. Number 5. Okay, and now tell me what comes after 5? Number 6. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 6. And what comes after 6? Number 7. What comes after 6? Number 7. Okay, and tell me what comes after 7? Number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. And what comes after 8? Number 9. What comes after 8? Number 9. And what comes after 9? 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0 makes number 10. Okay, and now tell me what comes after number 10. Number 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1 makes number 11. Okay, tell me what comes after 11. Number 12. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2 makes number 12. And which number is this? 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3 make number 13. 1 and 3 make number 13. What comes after 13? 14. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. And what comes after 14? 15. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 5, 15. And what comes after 15? 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. And tell me what comes after 16? 17. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. And what comes after 17? Number 18. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. And what comes after 18? Number 19. 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 9, 19. And what comes after 19? Number 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0 make number 20. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. 2 and 0, 20. Okay, class, do recognize these numbers and write numbers from 1 to 20 on your rough notebook. Okay, class, and also send me your feedback. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.